Are you kidding me? Gas prices are up again? Somebody has to do something. Well, someone did. That's why I use Upside. Upside? What's that? It's a free app that pays you back real money for every gallon of gas or diesel you buy. I just earn 25 cents back on every gallon of this thing. Hold on. So the Upside app is free and you actually get cash back every time you use it? No strings attached? Yep, it's awesome. Check it out. It only takes a couple of minutes to sign up. Instead of just watching your dollars go into your tank, you're putting money back into your wallet with the free app from Upside. With the price of gas today, it's big news and big money. To cash out of your Upside cash, just transfer it to your bank account, PayPal, or a gift card. Upside users have already earned over $200 million. Now it's your turn. Download the free Upside app and get cash back on every gallon of gas. Use promo code CAR18 for an extra 25 cents per gallon on your first fill up. That's code CAR18. Use code CAR18 for an extra 25 cents per gallon back in your first fill up. Everybody knows Jackson's where you go for the best giveaways and the best casino action. The best place to win a brand new Mustang is Jackson. Labor Day Drive-Away is here. Earn entries all month by playing in your rewards card. Plus, bonus entries Mondays and Fridays. The best summer nights are at Lone Wolf. Enjoy a great meal and free live music on the terrace. Fridays 8 to 10 p.m. The best place to hit it big is Jackson. All rewards members can win up to $3,000 cash during this month's Blackjack Tournament every Monday and Wednesday at 6 p.m. Let's go Jackson Rancheria Casino Resort, located in beautiful Amador County. Let's go. Individual rates, coverage offerings, and savings may vary. Subject to terms and conditions. Not available in all areas. Actual by customer.
As a small business, we're always looking for ways that we can offer the quality product and get some cost savings.
Meet Michelle from J.J. Pfister Distilling Company, a small business in California. When looking for workers' comp coverage tailored to the company's needs, she discovered Pie Insurance.
We heard about Pie Insurance being geared for a small business, gave Pie a call, and ended up switching.
Is your small business overpaying for workers' comp insurance? See how much you could save at trypie.com. Plus, when you sign up for pay-as-you-go billing, your premium is based on your actual payroll, not an estimate, so your workers' comp audit experience is simplified.
We saved about 30% off of our workers' comp insurance when we switched to Pie.
It's as easy as pie to get the savings you deserve. What are you waiting for? Ask your agent for Pie. Or get a quote in 3 minutes at trypie.com. That's TRYPIE.com.
Honey, is our car still under warranty?
No, not anymore.
My sister just got an extended service plan from Ox Car Care.
Ox Car Care?
Yeah, Ox will cover our repair bills if anything happens to our car, new brakes, a transmission, AC, or engine problems. Plus, Ox Car Care offers free oil changes, tire rotation, and roadside assistance.
Wait a minute, we pay nothing on repairs? Ox gives you 6 for it? Free oil changes, free tire rotation, and free roadside assistance? What's the number?
800-296-3315. Up to the 30-day money-back guarantee and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. They handle their claims from start to finish, unlike other warranty companies. What do we call now? 800-296-3315.
The last thing we need is an unexpected car repair bill. I'm calling Ox Car Care now. Call Ox Car Care for your free quote. 800-296-3315. Ask about senior and military discounts. Stuck with a major car repair bill, call Ox Car Care. 800-296-3315. For more information on contact compensation, go to kfbk.iheart.com/rules. Portions of the following program are recorded. When most of the news you get at work is Johnson from the next cubicle.
Here's where you can catch up with reality. The KFBK after
the corruption. And that is what Joe Biden exposed himself to by putting himself on the line. Even to people when they talked about the weather. He never should have been on the line. It was unethical to begin with for a sitting vice president to be on that line. No matter what the topic was about the weather, he did or did not receive money. The act of being on the line is corruption. And mainstream media needs to be sensitive. They're not. They are not. They're not looking into it at all. I said this for those of you that were not present yesterday. I have your names right here. Back in the day, they did not report on the girlfriends that John Kennedy had running in and out of the White House. And Lyndon Johnson and Dwight Eisenhower. I'll go down the list of the presidents that had honeys on the side. They wouldn't report it. If you look at old video of that, old newsreels of it, they asked the reporters, why didn't they report? Well, it wasn't considered proper. It wasn't something they did. And so today, we're in the same boat. The Washington media knows what's going on. They knew Kennedy had girlfriends coming in and out of the White House. But they wouldn't report it. And so today they know about the corruption. I would imagine, and if Woodward and Bernstein have made very lucrative careers out of busting the Nixon White House, because they reported on corruption. Why aren't there reporters in Washington that are willing to do that? Are they afraid to lose their jobs? They'll be ostracized in D.C.? It's like one big club, and the media and the politicians are all in it together. Marcy, you're next. Hi, Marcy. Welcome. You're on the Tom Sullivan Show.
Hi. Is this Tom?
Yep. This Marcy?
Okay. Hey, Marcy.
Good.
I have a question. We're talking about China influence.
Yes.
And my question is there any evidence that any sort of issues that were going back and forth between the United States and China went in China's favor during this period of time when Hunter was working for the Chinese company? Do we have any evidence that influence actually occurred? I'd really like to know that.
The ultimate question that they have to find. They have to do. That all this sort of stuff. No. Point out that Joe did this for that. Quid pro quo. You give me money, I make a policy decision. The one about China is a great question, Marcy, but the other one that is a probably higher chance of coming to fruition is Ukraine. Joe had, he was the point man for the Obama administration on all things regarding U.S. policy and Ukraine. And the famous tape of him saying, you fire that prosecutor or I'm taking the $1 billion check back home with me. So he was making decisions. How much of it was influenced by somebody greasing his palm? So it's Ukraine, it's China, Kazakhstan is also part of it. Romania. There's a lot of questions that are circling around, but that's what they're trying to get to because they have to connect the dots. They can't just assume that they're going to go for it.
It'd be really interesting to see if they can actually, tag something that, okay, this is being debated, and it clearly went in China's direction when we thought it was going to go the other way.
Yeah. Or you get somebody in China that is willing to spill the beans and say, yeah, we bought this policy. Do you? I would never ask a lady her age, but in Watergate, during Watergate,
yeah.
It was building, and Woodward and Bernstein were reporting on it in the Washington Post and CBS Evening News with Walter Cronkite was talking about the question about this Watergate break-in, and it may have some connection to the White House, and all that was going on while Richard Nixon was running for re-election. So we all knew about Watergate. We didn't know quite what it was. They hadn't quite dotted their I's yet, and Richard Nixon won in a landslide. It wasn't until a year after he won re-election that the Watergate Committee in Congress finally had the evidence that they needed, and that's when Richard Nixon resigned. So I would not be a bit surprised if this whole thing goes right on through November of 24, and if he gets reelected, that they are able to get the goods, but it won't be in time before the election.
Right.
It happened.
Wow.
It happened with Nixon.
Yeah. And then if he's in office, can he be prosecuted?
Sure. Well, impeached. That's what they were doing with Nixon.
Right.
Yeah.
Right, of course. Yeah. Right. Well, thank you, Tom. Thanks.
You're welcome. Thanks for the call. Appreciate it. There is, there's Trent on the line. Hi, Trent. How you been?
Hey, Trey, how you doing, Tom?
Good. Good.
Hey, you know what? I wanted to comment on a couple of comments you made earlier in the segment. One was, is this country right for, some other type of party or some, type of, coming in, right? And I would absolutely agree with you that there's never been a bigger chance that, some other type of party or type of government, let's just say, is ready to come in and be elected or whatever. So that's my first comment. And I also want to bring up the fact that coming up to the Civil War, the Civil War was brewing for 20 years. You had series, compromise, and everything else.
Right.
It was brewing for 20-something years, and unfortunately, I think there's been a lot of brewing that's been going on for the last 20 years.
Yeah, these things, they don't start and finish overnight.
KSBK, Sacramento's news radio, everywhere on the iHeartRadio app.
You're listening to Stay Dressed, where we play all the best classic water-wasting hits like Sprinklers in the Rain and Leaky Faucet. They're tunes from another time because now that we face a hotter, drier future, energy drops down. Despite an extremely wet winter, keep using less water, refueling, and reusing indoor water for your garden. Visit SaveOurWater.com for more ways to conserve. Up next, brushing your teeth with the water on. Stay Dressed.
There are more identity threats than you realize. Even if you monitor your credit, only a little personal info needs to leak out, like your social security number or password. Are you the common victim? LifeLock alerts you to threats you could miss. If your identity is stolen, a dedicated U.S.-based restoration specialist will work to fix it. No one can prevent all identity theft or monitor all transactions, but everyone can save up to 25% off their first year with promo code NEWS. Go to LifeLock.com.
KFBK, Sacramento. KSL,
KSBK is Sacramento's news radio. 93.1
Non-kept secret. The Justice Department is asking the federal judge overseeing the January 6th criminal case against former President Trump. Step in after Mr. Trump posted online what appeared to be a threat of revenge on anybody who goes after him. Prosecutors want the judge to issue a protective order so that Mr. Trump doesn't release evidence or intimidate witnesses. ABC's Mary Alice Marks.
On that possible protective order, Trump has made it a habit to talk about these cases publicly and go after people like Pence who could be a witness in this case. So the big question now, is his campaign rhetoric starting to collide with the reality of being a criminal defendant?
The Trump legal team has until late Monday afternoon to respond to the Justice Department's request. Former VP Mike Pence campaigning in New Hampshire, mentioning his account of refusing not to certify the election results. President Trump calling him too honest, he said. Mr. Trump is the keynote speaker at the South Carolina Republican Party
Party's annual Silver Elephant Dinner tonight in Colombia. Every year they do it in Japan, and they've done it again today. We're in Sunday, a memorial ceremony on the anniversary of the U.S. atomic bombing of Hiroshima in World War II. It's been 78 years. Rescued after being spotted by a plane sitting out a Coast Guard boat, a man in a small 12-foot boat off the coast of Florida, drifting for 24 hours. Coast Guard rescue mission coordinator Nick Barrow telling WJXX,
not the kind of bus that you want to be on in an offshore environment. That's why, the kind of the odds we're starting to be against us in this case, despite all of our search effort.
Charles Gregory is 25, reported in good shape. No one's ticket matched all the winning numbers drawn by the jackpot will be worth at least $1.5 million. Listening to ABC.
KFBK News Radio.
A 500-pound bear ate the tank captured after 21 break-in. This happened in causing extensive property damage as far back as early 2022. The bear's 3 male cubs, which had accompanied Hank on recent home break-ins, were also caught. Alaska Airlines is cutting back on Bay Area flights to Oakland and Sacramento. The airline says it's actually dropping a few thousand flights from its January schedule. Southwest is expected to bring back at least 2 Northern California routes. It's the Bay Area Series. The Giants in Oakland today, tomorrow, take on the A's, who have the worst record in the Major League. That's a quick look at the news. I'm Phil Farrar in the iHeartRadio newsroom.
Sacramento traffic. On the KFBK Traffic Center, and a very pleasant good evening to you. Traffic budget up in Sacramento, eastbound Cap from East Street over to the river, westbound 50 plugged up from 1599 clear to 15th Street. A reminder that Gemini Smith Memorial Trail is closed west of the Camp City American River Bridge to the Union Pacific Rail crossing until the fall. Be careful in Clarksville, eastbound 50 after Snell School Road, there's a closed scanner in the right lane, and southbound 5 Delegate Safety Rescue is closed for emergency work until further notice. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. From the KFBK Traffic Center, Steve Ferreira at KFBK News Radio. Now, Sacramento weather.
Well, the clear sky for tonight, lows will be in the low to mid-60s. A hot day tomorrow to wrap up the weekend. Mostly sunny, highs between 104 and 108. A clear sky tomorrow night, lows will be in the low to mid-60s. And then plenty of sunshine heading into the day on Monday. A hot afternoon, highs between 100 and 104. I'm AccuWeather's Brian Thompson on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
Next update in less than 30 minutes. Breaking news the second it happens on KFBK News Radio. Sacramento's news, traffic, and weather station.
Are you tired of the hassle and headache of your water softener? Maybe tired of changing filters, scheduling servicing, and adding salt to your water? Well, there's a better way. You can ditch your outdated softener for good. Trade up to a LifeSource whole home water system. It's Kitty O'Neill, and LifeSource systems filter your water from every tap, so you have safe, clean water for drinking, showering, cleaning, doing laundry. You get the convenience and luxury of filtered water throughout your whole home. We have a LifeSource system, and we love it. And now's a great time to upgrade. There's a Ditch the Softener rebate valued at up to $1,000. You can
604. It's only like a couple of